Hi, welcome. So in this video we are going to continue with AWS builder challenge, and in this builder challenge we're going to use Amplify to do like a DevOps workflow, whereby when we do a slight change on our code here, when we push it to GitHub, where is my GitHub? So when we push it on our GitHub, our page is able to detect those changes, and the changes can be reflected on our on our website. So that is what we are going to do for now. So let's do that. So first thing first is, if you are following, you don't have a GitHub, you need to create one. Well, so they have like MCP server. I'll come to check it later. So you create a GitHub account, it's very easy. Then the next thing you need to do is to download Git. Actually I have a video on how to download Git, but you can go to this website and download Git. It's very much easier. So those are the tools that we need. So I have already created my account, and to create a new repository is very easy. You come and press new repository. So then we have it here like this. Is very much, it's very easy. So let me go. This is let me use I can't remember the name of the repository I was using, so let me find it here. Okay, I was doing AWS builder challenge. This is my repository, and now we want to see. I did already 10 hours ago is when I pushed the last changes. So now we understand like the basics of Git and GitHub. So we go to AWS console and then search for AWS Amplify. So when we have it like this, you just open it, and this is what you will see as such a beautiful interface. It looks very different from others. Then you press deploy an app. Then here you will need to choose GitHub. Then we need to place next. Then we are requested to authorize Amplify to connect to GitHub, and then we say yes as we are waiting for it to load. Let me use this one, authorize. Okay, then if you have an authenticator app, you need to input the codes. So let me put mine. Then here we need to select the repository, and the repository was this one. So I can copy the username You can see it here. And then here are the main branch. The next I don't think it has many things. So it gives us a domain. Okay. So we are still deploying. Let's wait and see here. You can be able even to add their domain name. Let's see. I have a domain somewhere. Deployed. Let's try and see. This is exactly what I wanted. Now we want to do some few changes. You can see here we have already to day 3, but on my code I have up to day 4 here. Let me close this. Day 4 and day 5, those are the changes that I want to push. So I write here a commit message, day 4 and day 5. Then commit and push, commit and sync. I press OK. So now we are synchronizing. Here I had a file, the one for testing. This is what we want to see on our live server. So if we refresh now, we can see this was updated. Now if we go to our website here, I think it should have it. The changes should reflect immediately. Not yet, but let's see here. Yes, we can see it has enabled the changes. Well, this one is a bit good. I've done something new here to use Amplify. So tomorrow we are going to do this to attach to enable this form to work. So I guess we will use Lambda or something. So tomorrow this is what should work. So bye bye, see you tomorrow. Okay, something here, something I've noticed. Earlier these images were not working, but I can see now they are working. Yes, because I was unable to configure them when I was using S3, but now they are working. So bye bye.